I apologize, this launch took so much longer than I anticipated, but these cribs are so damn good. And would you check out the new studio that we built? Now I can be over here when I update you on the Hydro Orchid. And then I can move over here to update you on Polly the Pineapple. I might even be down here when I show you these crazy ass Calatheas. We are now offering all 7 crib combinations in DIY kit form as well as fully assembled. And guess what? All cribs are now 15% off. I want you to watch the upcoming video of me explaining how to order your DIY kit, get it ordered, get it built, and let's grow shit together. Update on the giveaways. Don't forget, register on the website, follow me on one social media platform, and they're gonna start next week. I missed you guys. It's good to be back. These cribs offer an amazing way to transition soil plants into hydro plants, or take an already established hydro plant and create an amazing display that allows you to showcase the hydro plant's roots. Now the cribs are offered in 3 different outer ring sizes. You've got a 10-inch, an 8-inch, and a 6-inch. The outer ring is what allows us to suspend the crib on the opening of the glass grow container that you're using. Now the inner ring creates the crib area that actually houses your hydro plant. Inner rings are available in 6-inch, 4-inch, and 3.5-inch. Now the 6-inch offers a 5-inch opening, and this thing's gonna accommodate a large hydro plant. That's typically a plant that's been transitioned from soil into a hydro plant that started in an 8-inch or a 6-inch grow container. The 6-inch inner ring is only offered with the 10-inch outer ring. The glass containers I recommend to accommodate this crib are a 10-inch cylinder and a 12-inch bubble bowl. 4-inch inner rings have a 3-inch opening, and 3.5-inch inner rings have a 2.5-inch opening. Now, these guys will accommodate smaller hydro plants. Those are plants that have typically been transitioned from 4-inch or 6-inch grow containers. 4-inch inner rings and 3.5-inch inner rings are offered in all outer ring sizes, 10s, 8s, and 6s. When they're combined with a 10-inch outer ring, these cribs work well with 10-inch cylinders, 8-inch cylinders, 6-inch cylinders, 10-inch bubble bowls, and 12-inch bubble bowls. When combined with an 8-inch outer ring, these cribs work well with an 8-inch cylinder, a 6-inch cylinder, 10-inch bubble bowl, and a 12-inch bubble bowl. And when combined with the 6-inch outer ring, the only glass container this guy's gonna fit is a 6-inch cylinder. All combinations of crib sizes are available in DIY kit form as well as fully assembled. Once you select the crib kit you'd like to build, you're gonna need to select what color you would like your crib rings. Next, you're gonna need to choose the color of the 8-inch zip ties that are used to assemble the top of your crib. The appropriate amount of zip ties for your kit plus extras are included. Now, select the color of the mesh panels you'd like to use for your crib. The kit will assign the correct size panels for your crib and includes 8 acrylic support rods. Now you need to decide what color of 4-inch zip ties you'd like to use to assemble the crib. Your kit will include the correct amount of zip ties plus some extras if needed. You have the option to order your crib fully assembled. If you order your crib fully assembled, you can only select one color for the main body of the crib. If you order a DIY kit, you now have the option to create a custom design out of the 4-inch zip ties for your mesh panels. If you'd like to do this, figure out how many of each color you need for one panel, then multiply by 4. Want bubbles in your setup? The bubbler option comes in a DIY kit, or let us install it in your fully assembled crib. Now these are the tools that you're gonna need when you assemble your crib. You want a good pair of sharp wire snips, a pair of needle nose pliers, you're gonna need 1-inch masking tape, and if your kit combination is a 10-inch outer ring with 4-inch or 3.5-inch inner rings, you are gonna need a tape measure. Now these are very common tools. You may have these in your toolbox at home. If not, we do sell them on our website. Well, I hope that helped. And assembling these things, guys, is actually a lot of fun. Check out our YouTube channel. We have a tutorial called How to Build Your DIY Plant Crib Kit. If you'd like to illuminate your grow container, check out our YouTube channel to see how easy it is to do.